Namaskar everyone. After discussion about financial intermediaries in the earlier videos, we will be dealing with an overview of financial market in this video. The topics to be covered in this video are meaning of financial markets, participants of financial market, features of financial market, functions and significance. So we will take each and every topic one by one. We know that financial market is an important component of our financial system. Unlike other elements of the financial system, financial market is that podium or space where creation and trading of financial assets takes place, such as shares, debentures, bonds, derivatives, currencies, etc. It plays a crucial role in allocating limited resources in the country's economy. A financial market is a marketplace where trading or exchange of various financial instruments and assets take place that we know recently. The price of these assets is dependent on its demand and supply in the respective markets. All the financial and economic activities in the country are dependent upon these markets. Now, the participants in the financial markets. The participants of the financial markets are the traders in the financial market, or they are the facilitators to the investors, corporate or the government securities, who either participate directly into the market or who help the other investors in buying and selling the securities. So the participants are insurance companies, finance companies, banks, merchant banks, firms, individual, government and regulators. Now the features of financial market. A financial market is as vital to the economy as blood is to the body. To know more about it, let us understand the features one by one. Number one, it acts as a link. Yes, financial market act as a link as it connects the investors to the borrowers and bridge the gap between the two for mutual benefits. Easy accessibility. These markets are readily available anytime for both the investors and borrowers, so the financial market can be accessed easily. Trades in marketable and non-marketable securities. Financial market initiate buying and selling of marketable commodities. Some of these are bonds, debentures, shares, along with non-marketable securities such as bank deposits, post office deposits, and other loans and advances. Government rules and regulations. The government control the operations of financial market in the country by imposing different rules and regulations. Next is the involves financial instruments. Yes, financial market require financial intermediaries such as banks, non-banking financial companies, stock exchange, mutual fund companies, insurance companies, brokers, etc., along with the various financial instrument to deal with these financial instrument to make it functional. Deals in long and short term investments. For the investors, financial market provides an opportunity of putting its fund into various securities or schemes for short term or the long investing benefits. Now we'll come to the functions of financial markets. The financial market plays a significant role in the economy and perform some of the essential functions such as mobilizing the saving. How financial market mobilize saving and what do we mean about that? The financial markets initiate the proper utilization of individual savings to generate profit by investing it in the right place. Facilitate price determination and discovery. The demand and supply of the various securities in the financial market regulates their price. Provide liquidity to financial assets. Financial market facilitates the quick conversion of securities or commodities into cash as and when required by the investor. So it liquidates the financial assets simply by buying and selling them. Next is accelerate economic development. When savings are put into use for setting up new businesses and generating revenue, the economy of the country grows parallel. So financial market facilitate in the overall economic development of the country through mobilizing the capital. Reduce transaction cost. Since the information of all the financial instruments or assets is available free of cost on financial markets, it lowers the cost of acquisition and selling of the securities. Create new assets and liabilities. Financial market also encourage the creation of new assets in the form of investment and liabilities through borrowings. Facilitate in capital formation. Raising capital from idle saving for the growth of business, infrastructure and economy is termed as capital formation, which is an essential function of financial market. Determine capital formation rate. As we know that the capital formation is one of the function of financial market, the demand and supply of securities determine their capital formation rate to encourage people to enter the market. Makes financial asset liquid. As we have discussed in the earlier function, that financial market provide liquidity to the financial assets, and we know that the financial assets are intangible assets that derives value because of contractual claim. These assets are traded in the various segments of the market, various components of the market, and can be converted into cash simply by selling them in these markets. Then we'll come to the significance of financial markets. So number one is essential to promote economic efficiency. Yes, financial market promote economic efficiency by mobilizing capital in the economy. Essential to increase production. When the flow of money increases in the economy, or the circulation of money increases in the economy, output and production also increases and leads to the development of economy. Enhance entrepreneurial development and national welfare. Each and every activity in the economy is possible only by sufficient fund, which we get through various segments of financial market, such as the capital market, money market, and many more that we'll be discussing in the next video. Help in satisfying individuals' demand of money. It is a perfect place where an individual with surplus fund and a person having need of fund meets each other and they satisfy the demand of fund. So it is the perfect place where individual demand is satisfied. Now, do you know what are the various components of financial markets? The various components will be discussed in the next video, one by one, focusing on each and every segment of the financial market. Thank you, everyone.